So we just got a wires down call, and the comment said it was the bottom wire. We get communication wires down all the time, service drops and fibers and stuff. So we just arrived on site, and there's communication wires down all right. Right on the main line, 4-span, one of the real heavy duty strands, the main line. So that's the last pole the wires are still hooked up on. We already walked the whole line to make sure it's not in contact with any live wires. You can see here where the steel strand got sprung. That actually snapped the steel strand. Very important to check the ties on the primary transformer, make sure everything's still in place. Communication box there, ripped right off the strand. Oh, one of the wires pulled right. What's that? Okay. How's he making out?
Well, he's got a transformer bank on the ground, a broken pole, burnt underground.
No way.
Mercedes.
Holy frig. Transformer bank on the ground.
Yeah, well, someone must have hit the transformer bank pole feeding the Mercedes dealership out in aviation. He says he needs a badger. He's like, I'm calling 4 guys. I was like, yeah. I mean, I could leave here and get there in an hour, and then I can go home. And
there's no point. We'll do that tree while we're up here, because it's just up a little ways. But that's the telephone there. That's the cable. She's ripped right out.
I don't like. They must have broke the. They caught it over here, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Look at the lashing wire.
So I caught it over this. There you go.
That's crazy. Oh, there's the other end of the coax right there. Yeah. Still no steel strand here. So, looks like one of those high hose may have come out field. You can see here there's a lot of traffic on this road during the day, so all those little clumps of mud and sticks and stuff would be completely flattened, so they're fresh. You can see some fresh marks in the pave here where they came up out of the field. That still blows my mind that pole's not broken. 20 years I've never seen this get ripped off like that without taking the poles down as well. You heard my partner. We've got 3 or 4 calls in the area. My partner was on another call and he got called back into the city. There's a pole with 3 transformers on it laying on the ground feeding the Mercedes-Benz dealership. Vehicle hit that. Busy night. So we normally fix all the communication stuff, but something like this with that cable ripped right out, the lashing wire, we don't have lashers. The whole span needs relashed. We got a hold of one of the communication guys. They're gonna have to come out and look after this one. Got a blind hill right there, so we're gonna need flaggers. Unreal. There's the rest of the lashing there. So 4 poles, 3 span.
bends but never breaks.
Yeah, I know.
Can't see anything on them.
No marks on the machines or nothing?
Marks all over the place.
Yeah. I'll give Rogers a call. I said the tree's just 10 minutes up the road. And it's an easy cut.
It was funny because they were like, "Oh, you guys busy this morning?" And we were like, "Yeah, it wasn't too bad." Someone said it. They're like, "Strange, you haven't had a broken pole in a while."
Yeah, I know, eh?